Hello, this is Detna Guam here with the Dare Network again, and I hope you are selling all your sellers and getting all your buyers homes. I know this market has been challenging, but let's talk about what's going on in Q2. All right, so today I want to kind of talk about the three I's that we're dealing with: interest rates, inventory, and inflation. So let's go to interest rates. I'm sure, as you know, working with all the buyers that you have and those offers coming in on your listings, that interest rates have jumped up quite a bit, right? 3.5, maybe even a little lower at the beginning of the year. Today I talked to my loan officer, 4.75 up to 5%. Investment loans are getting into the mid to high fives. Right. I also heard from a couple of economists and other people that keep track of the market that we may be getting into the sixes this year. May not stay there, but it'll be the sixes. A lot of people think it's going to end up somewhere in the mid fives. So what does that mean for you and your clients? Well, at the end of the day, we know our number one thing is to educate our clients. And when they know or they don't know, they need to know that the interest rate increasing as it is reduces their purchasing power by a lot. Right? We all know prices are going up and we're seeing that flatten out. But interest rates cause them to be priced out. We had 2 buyers this week that got priced out of a market they're looking in. All right, second I, inventory. Now we know second, third quarter here in Dallas-Fort Worth, inventory does come on more, right? That's just natural. But what's happening with that inventory? Well, I can only speak to what I'm seeing, especially in our team, is normally we would sell homes jokingly in 24 hours, but we'd have 20, 30 offers. We're starting to see that slow down. Matter of fact, there's a couple homes that have been on the market for 6 days with no offers, right? Crazy, right? So what does that mean? Well, we do see a little bit of a slowdown. Now, I do think it's because of the third eye. We're going to talk about inflation, but definitely that first eye of buyers getting priced out. And as we know, as interest rates increase and their buying power decreases, something has to give, and that's usually seller pricing. So we're starting to see that a little bit as well, is that the prices aren't quite going like this. We think they're going to flatten out like this. So offers are low. Now we're still getting 55 offers every now and then, but not as much as we were back in January, February, where we threw home on the market and bam, 30 offers. So what does that mean for you? Talk to your sellers that were on the fence. Talk to the people that were unsure of this market. This could be the top. Give them a current market analysis and show them what it could sell for, right? This is the time potentially to go to market for those people that have been thinking about it. All right, third eye, inflation, the one we really can't control. And I know everybody's feeling this. Your gas, your food, everything is expensive. Well, this kind of goes back to the first two, but this is one that we got to keep an eye on. A lot of people are getting priced out of the market with interest rates rising and the cost of living rising. A lot of our clients have said they're not sure if they can afford the monthly payment had that happened yesterday. So we're readjusting their search, reducing their price, expanding out their location, right? Making sure. I always look at everything as a buyer triangle. The top is price, which is usually pretty much what they can afford or what they want to purchase, so you can't really flex too much on that. The bottom left is location, and the bottom right is condition. Now, of those three, you can't get all three of them. Right? You have to give up on one or the other. And since price is kind of locked up top, you have to give up on condition or location. So right now, most of our buyers are giving up on location, meaning 10 or 15 minutes further out to get that little bit newer home, 30 minutes out to get that little bit newer home or the condition that they want. So have those discussions with your buyers. Of course, have that discussion with your seller too, because like I said, the market looks like it could flatten out. So that's what I'm seeing Q2. Obviously, I'll come back Q3 and let you know what we see as the final numbers. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, give me a call, email, phone. I'll be happy to do a free consultation with you on what we're doing. Again, Detna Guam with the Dare Network. Thanks for watching.